Check out your maths class note and write today's date 19/10/20 and today's day Monday MONDAY and this month name is October OCTOBER October. Okay, OCTOBER. Okay, and write the first mental sums. First Roman letter, mental sums heading and number from 1 to 5. After that, to draw line. In mental sums, the first question, how many vertices are there in cube? How many vertices are there in cube? And second question, if we add 4 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds and 2 thousands, then the sum is dash. Again, if we add 4 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds and 2 thousands, and then the sum is dash. Then third question, how many zeros will be there in the sum of 5,000 and 6,000? How many zeros will be there in the sum of 5,000 and 6,000? And the fourth question, story problem. Mala has 50 chocolates and Meena has 20 chocolates more than Mala. How many chocolates does Meena have? Mala has 50 chocolates and Meena has 20 chocolates more than Mala. How many chocolates does Meena have? And the fifth question, 5,400 minus 1,000. 5,400 minus 1,000. Have all finished? Okay, students, all of you check out your mental sum answer. And the first one is, how many vertices are there in cube? So what is the answer? So 8 vertices, isn't it? And the next one. And if we add 4 ones, 8 tens, 6 hundreds and 2,000, immediately you have to write the place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the question is 4 ones. So you have to write the 4 number below the ones place. And the 8 tens, 8 in the tens place. And 6 hundreds, 6 in the hundreds place, and 2 thousands, 2 in the thousand places. So the answer is 2,684. And the next one, how many zeros will be there in the 5,000 and 6,000? How many zeros? 3 zeros, isn't it? And Mala has 50 chocolates and Meena has 20 chocolates. Immediately you have to write the number in the corner. So what is the number? First you hear the number. First number is so 50, isn't it? And the second number what you heard? So 20. So then you should clearly hear what keywords is there. That what keyword is there? Yes, more than. So more than means plus. So 0 plus 0, 0. And 5 plus 2, 7. So and the answer is 70. Okay. And the next one, last one. 5,400 minus 1,000. So the answer is 4,400. Okay, how many of them got full mark? It's very good, students. We studied in the previous class subtraction. What is subtraction? Yes, take away. What is subtraction? Take away. Okay. In the properties of subtraction, 99 minus 0. When you subtract them with 0, the answer will be the same one. Isn't it? And when you subtract with 1, the answer will be the before number, that is predecessor. Okay. And next 299 minus 10. And if you subtract with 10, you have to concentrate. You have to change the in the tens place number only. Then here the tens place number is 9. You have to change the before number, that is the 9 before 8. Don't change the other place numbers, that is tens, hundreds. Sorry, ones, hundreds. Tens place number only you should change. And after that 299 minus 100. And you should change in the hundreds place. Okay, because this is minus with 100. Okay, so 100 before number of 2, 199. So likewise 4299 minus 1000. And you should change in the 1000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So 1000 place number is before 1000 place number 3. So don't change the other numbers. Okay, this is the properties of addition. And now we are going to study about the numbers, 2-digit numbers. Okay, without borrowing. Immediately you should write the ones, tens, ones, tens. So write the number place and put the box. Put the dot line also. And the first number 2, 9, 1, 7. Minus. Okay, put the symbol minus. So first of all, first number you have to in your mind, and second number to take in your hand. And the first one 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 9 before. Why you count the before number? Because minus. So minus, how will you count in minus? Backward counting. So we have to say the before number. So 9 before. 9 before what number? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What number finished? The last one. 2. So the answer is 2. And 2. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 2 before 1. So answer 1. So answer is 1. Immediately you should write the place. Okay, next we are going to study 3-digit with 3-digit. Okay, so immediately you should write the place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So write the place up to ones, tens, hundreds. And put the box. Dot line also. First number 8, 6, 9. 3, 3, 6. So and put the symbol minus. So 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. So next 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. So 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 8 before, 7, 6, 5. 5. So answer 533. Immediately write the place. Ones, tens, hundreds. And next we are study about the 4-digit with 3-digit. Okay. Immediately you should write the place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the greatest place is 1000. So you should write with the up to 1000 place. Okay. And here to draw the box. So first 7 in the 1000 place. So you should write the 7. And next 8 in the hundreds place. 4 in the tens place. 3 in the ones place. And the next number, second number 7 in the hundreds place. So you have to write the 7 in the hundreds place. And 3 tens place, 2 ones place. And close out the box and put the symbol. Don't forget to put the symbol. Okay. And 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after, 3 before, 2, 1. So answer 1. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 before, 3, 2, 1. Again, 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At last here there is no number. So you have to write directly 7. So answer 7,111. So immediately you should write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. I hope you all are thorough in the 3 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit without borrowing subtraction. Okay. Students, all of you take out your max classwork note and write the heading subtraction 2, 3, 4 digits without borrowing. Okay. And when the sum given, immediately you have to write the ones, tens place. Ones, tens. What are the places? Ones, tens only. So you have to write the ones, tens. Okay. So this is minus sum. So you have to count backward counting. Okay. So how will you count? Backward counting. So 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 before. 5 before what the number? 4. 5 before 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the answer? 1. So 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4. So answer 4. So answer is 41. Immediately you should write the ones, tens. And the second one, 769 minus 338. Immediately you have to write the place ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds you have to write in the correct column. So 7 in the hundreds place. So you have to check out the numbers in the whether it is fixed in the correct column. Okay. And 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger, 9 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 is the answer. So 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 6 before. You should count the before counting because this is subtraction. So 6 before, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. So 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 6 after, 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So answer 1. So 131. Above place write immediately ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, next sum. 6,282 minus 1,221. Immediately you should write the place ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the next one, you should write the numbers in the correct column. 6 in the thousand place, 2 in the hundreds place, 10 in the 8 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Then first of all you have to start with the ones place. And that is 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 2 before 1. So 1, 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 8 before 7, 6. So answer 6. So directly you have to count the when you subtract with the 0. So when you subtract with 0, the answer will be the same number. Okay. And 6 in the mind. And when you subtract with 1, so answer will be the before. That is the predecessor. So predecessor of 6, 5. So answer 5,261. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And last one. And you have to immediately you have to write the place ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. And the first number you have to write in the up to 1,000 place. And the second one, the 4 in the hundreds. 4 in the 100 place. So you have to write the 400 place. 1 in the 1,000. So 10 sum. And 6 in the ones place. Okay. So 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. 2 minus 1, So you have to minus directly, because the one, when you subtract with 1, the answer will be the before number, isn't it? So 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, 2. And at last here there is no number, so you have to write directly. So 5,213. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, write very neatly. Students, all of you take out your maths book and turn the page number 37. And you have to finish the these two sums and also first exercise. In the first exercise A to L. Okay. And you have to finish all the sums in the page of 37 and next page 38. 38 also the 3-digit number without borrowing. So you have to finish the 3-digit number without borrowing in the page number 38 as well as page number 42. Page number 42, you should finish the exercise number 5 only, because this is without regrouping, without borrowing. Okay, and in that number you have to A and L, and don't finish the 6th exercise, just only 42 5th exercise fully. 37, 38 and 42. 37, 38 full page. In the 42 page, only 5th exercise. Okay, and this is today's assignment work. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class.